Hello everyone. So we are in the getting started video for Open Liberty. So we will be building some application which is uh, microservices based applications. It is based on Java platform. We'll be using Maven and Docker wherever possible. So we will be starting our exercise in few minutes. So I have a Visual Studio Code IDE and some of the tools are pre-installed. So I have Java installed, Maven installed. So some of the tools are pre-installed, but yes, we'll go through them as we will learn. So we'll look into REST-based microservices. We'll be using Open Liberty as an application server. Maven will be used as a tool to deploy and build the microservices. So let's first discuss what's Open Liberty. Open Liberty is an application framework designed for clouds. It's small, lightweight, and it's based on MicroProfile and Java EE or Jakarta EE specification. And this means you have everything for building enterprise applications. It can also run on Docker, Kubernetes, and Cloud Foundry. So this is about Open Liberty. Then Maven, as you know, is an automation build tool. It's efficient way to develop and build Java projects. And we'll build a system microservice, a simple microservice. Maybe we will modify it as we go along. And we'll also do some configuration, code changes, and we'll package the application in Docker image also. So let's start our development. So first thing is, in our Visual Studio Code, I will also open a terminal window. So I'm creating a new terminal. As you can see, there will be a terminal window in the bottom of my screen. Just a minute, let me show you. Okay, it may not be visible to you because of the screen resolution, but yeah, you see here we have the terminal, right? Now in this terminal we are into home and project directory. So you can create a directory called home, and within home you can create a directory called project. In this project we can clone some projects. So let me clone. So I have pasted this entire command, and then I have to cd into the directory which I will be installing. So you see here we have got the project, and then there are folders are start, and then you have staging, finish, scripts, lots of other folder. Actually finish will contain the finish projects. So now let's see what is inside this, and then this is the command to run. So the command is called mvn liberty run. I'll put all these commands in the description, and this will run the service. So watch out for the message which is default server is ready to run, something like that. This means that server has started. Yeah, you have seen this message, the default server is ready to run. A smart default server started in 11.0 seconds. Now we have the microservice so we can access these services. So what we can do is we can go to terminal and new terminal. In this new terminal we can give some curl command. So you see here, this is the output. So basically let's see what we have built. Now we can do Control C to stop this service. So I can go to the service and I can say Control C to stop this service. And now let's see what is there in this code. So you have the source directory. In the source directory we have the POM file. So let me show you POM file. This is the standard stuff about the POM. Then there is the project name, artifact name. This is about the project, Maven project details. Then we have the properties. Property says it is running on Java 11, UTF-8 and the port. Then this is based on the Jakarta platform. You have dependencies here. You have for testing, then the Maven library plugins to run functional tests. So this is all about the Maven project. There's a Docker file also. Docker file is J9 or Java 11. So Liberty start stop, there are few commands which we should know. Let me show you the commands. Let me open you the terminal window so that you see these commands. Basically we have mvn liberty start. This is important command to start the server. And then there is a command mvn liberty stop. Okay, there could be some build failure. So this is for stopping the open liberty in background. For debugging, mvn liberty dev. You can check the health of the server by doing curl health. And feature managers will have the following features. So we can see in the server configuration, within the Liberty folder there is config, and config contains server.xml. And you see here the features, various features: Jakarta E10, MicroProfile 7, RESTful web service, JSON P, JSON B, CDI, MP config, MP matrix. So for enable the tracing, we should have the following things. So within target, and within the target there will be liberty, then we will have WLP, so then you have users will have servers will have default server will have the logs, and in the logs you have console log and message logs. So you see here there are logs, message logs. So now we have learned how to start and run the application Open Liberty. Thank you.